issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Tarrant County in north-central Texas.
That's my county.
Southwestern Dallas County in north-central
It's in my
Texas
county.
until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Cedar Hill State Park, or near Grand Prairie, moving southeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Arlington, Grand Prairie, Mansfield, DeSoto, Cedar Hill, Duncanville, Lancaster, Midlothian, Glen Heights, Red Oak, Cockrell Hill, Ovilla, Oak Leaf, Cedar Hill State Park, Joe Lake, and Mountain Creek Lake. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 412 and 425. Interstate 20 between mile markers 450 and 470. Interstate 45 between mile markers 277 and 282. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.